Hello guys, welcome to another video on Alpha Web Tips. I still remain Dapovimbi, and in this video I'm going to quickly show you how you can connect your blog or your website to Google Search Console. If you are using WordPress without using any plugin, and if you are using Blogspot without adding any code to the header section of your theme or template. So with that being said, let's get started. Now I'll first show you how you can do that on WordPress. Before you can use WordPress, you must have gotten your domain name and hosting ready. So I'm logging at the right section of this page. This is my cPanel. I'll show you how you can go about it in your cPanel. And at the left section, that's where you have the Google Search Console dashboard. Now that I'm logged into the both websites, this is how to go about it. Now I want to connect my alphawebconsults.com to Google Search Console without using any plugin, right? To go about it, when you create your Google Search Console account, get started, take you to this page. It will have to be a full screen. You will have seen everything at once. Now, when you click on this menu icon, click on the drop down icon there, you click on add property. If it's a fresh account, you to take you to this page directly if it's a fresh account, right? So instead of using your URL preface, you're going to use your domain name, which is the new way of connecting your website to Google Search Console. Now the website I want to connect is alphawebconsults.com. If you don't know, alphawebconsults.com is a software development agency, and is the agency that's powering Alpha Web Tips. Right. So when you click on continue, it brings something like you need to add a TST record. This is what you need here. This these code snippets, and you can see the instruction. You can see the four instructions given. Now when you copy this TST record, right, it, the second instruction says sign into your Google. Send your domain name provider, e.g., GoDaddy, Google's, Namecheap, Bluehost, and the like. Now, this is how to go about it. Now that you've copied the TST record, you need to create a TST record for that particular domain in your cPanel. If you are using Cloudflare, if you've connected your website or your blog to Cloudflare, you're going to do the same way I'll show you in your cPanel. Now, when you get to your cPanel, I'm already logged into my Namecheap cPanel. Now, under your domain names, mostly in all cPanels, under your domain names, you're going to find this zone editor, DNS zone editor. So when you click on it, don't forget you want to add the TST record for Alpha Web Consults. Now, when you click on it, you have to look for the domain name you want to add TST record to. Now, this is the first domain name. All you have to do is click on manage. When you click on manage, you want to add the record, right? You can click on add record. When you click on add record, all right, let me scroll down. Now, you want to add the record for Alpha Web. That name section, that's where you type your domain name, alphawebconsults.com. Then in the type of the record, you look for TST. Then the TST record you copied from your Google Search Console dashboard, you paste it here. And when you paste it, you leave the TTL as 1 2, then you click on save record. When you click on save record, you successfully saved the following test record for this particular domain name. Alright. Now you may go ahead to verify immediately, but I will urge you to wait for at least 1 minute before going ahead to verify. Now I'm gonna wait a bit So you can see that it's as simple as that. Now let's try and verify if it's connected. You can see it's as simple as that. Now you can click on done, or you can go to your property. Now when you go to your property, it takes you to the Alpha Web Consult domain name. Now if you have subdomain names like maybe blog.alphawebconsults, courses.alphawebconsults, support.alphawebconsults, it will be verified automatically. Forget, if you are also doing this for your blogspot, it's still the same way. If you can access the DNS record of the domain name provider, you can add a TST record to it. All right, you can add a TST record. You're during the process of you trying to connect your custom domain name to Blogspot, you can also add a TST record to make sure Google Search Console recognizes your domain and you as the verified owner of that particular domain. And then if you've connected your website, either WordPress or Blogspot or Joomla, to CDN, example like Cloudflare, you just need to search for the DNS section of your Cloudflare, and then you create the TST record for that particular domain, and then that's it. So that's it, guys. That's it for this topic. I showed you how to can connect your website or your blog to Google Search Console. Then you can then go ahead to add your sitemap, to do your URL inspection pages and everything you want to do. All right, I'll see you in another topic and in another video. Bye bye.